Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 13, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. 10th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Third row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in the two cells. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fifth row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, fifth row, we have 3, 4, 9. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row, column C, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 5. Column B also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. then 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. Column J, we have 3 and 7, so 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column H, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. Third row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column C, we already have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. Third row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Third row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Column I, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then the only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.